Jenn, Interpretation Officer at Royal Botanical Gardens. Today I'd like to introduce you to one of my favorite garden areas, Prehistoric Grove. In this area, we have a few tree species that are very closely related to ones found in the fossil record, so they're considered living fossils. This is the Dawn redwood tree, or Meadow Sequoia. This is one of my favorites because I spent several years living in the Badlands of Alberta, where we would sometimes find fossilized leaves and cones from Meadow Sequoias. Those trees were very closely related to the ones that we have growing in Prehistoric Grove today. The fun thing about Meadow Sequoia is that it was first described as fossils and only later was discovered as living trees. They are a species at risk in their native range in China, and there are very few left in their natural habitat. These trees can now be found in botanic gardens and arboreta all around the world. This is a Japanese umbrella pine. These trees are originally from Japan and are pretty rare in cultivation because they grow very slowly. They have no close living relatives, but the oldest fossils are from about 230 million years ago. This is a maidenhair tree, or Ginkgo biloba. It's the only living species in its family, with all others being extinct. They're very closely related to fossils dating back 270 million years. This tree is native to China and is widely cultivated. It's often seen as street trees in urban environments because it is very resilient. Fossils from trees very closely related to the ones we have here have been found dating back all the way to the Mesozoic era, when dinosaurs roamed the earth. I hope you have a chance to come visit this very special collection here in Hendrie Park. Thanks for joining.